Hello everyone, 10BestOnes here with another video, and today we are going to check out the top 5 best laptops for video editing and graphics design. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see the price and find more information about these laptops, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Apple MacBook Pro. When it comes to fast performance and built-in quality, the first thing that crosses your mind is Apple. MacBook Pro expands the way of perceiving notebooks to a whole new level of performance and portability. You can't expect nothing less than a great design if it is an Apple product. This laptop is razor thin and very light, making it easy for carrying regardless of what you are up to. The display is just incredible. It features bright LED backlighting with high contrast ratio, and it supports white colors for having more vibrant greens and reds. The display's maximum resolution is 2880 by 1800 pixels, and all of these things combined release realistic and vivid details for enhancing your video editing, color grading and graphic design skills. The keyboard features second generation butterfly mechanism. This means that you will receive 4 times more key stability than the traditional scissor mechanism, accompanied with greater responsiveness and comfort. Another great feature is a touch bar that replaced the function keys which were there longer than enough, so they replaced them with something more versatile. This touch bar automatically changes based on your preferences, and it shows you controls such as volume, brightness, while the Touch ID provides you with instant access for logging and fast secure online purchases with Apple Pay. Moreover, there is a spacious Force Touch trackpad that guarantees plenty of room for gesture and clicks to your fingers. This laptop has 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 3.5mm headphone jack and stereo speakers for a distant connectivity. The speakers are loud enough and catch every detail so you can have an amazing time while watching videos or listening to your favorite tracks. It performs amazingly well. With a 7th generation Intel Core processor, this laptop delivers all of your tasks in a blink of an eye. You can do pro-level processing jobs like 3D models and of course video editing with Final Cut Pro. Meanwhile, it conserves energy when taking lighter tasks in form of web browsing, emailing, YouTube streaming or other light job-related tasks. This model also includes an SSD that is blazing fast, accompanied by the memory producing fast booting, multitasking or importing huge files very quickly. The battery is very durable and strong because it can last for up to 10 hours, but this varies based on how you use it. It lets you do your job related or entertainment tasks without having it plugged in a charger for a long period of time. Overall, if you're looking for a nicely engineered laptop that weighs really light but will produce an amazing output for your purposes, then you should definitely check this one. Next up, at number 4 we have the Razer Blade Pro. Razer succeeded in producing an amazing laptop that, except for gaming, it can be used for video editing and other high-level tasks. This model is clothed in black aluminum with bright and glossy screen, making it look luxurious. The matte black interior and the unibody construction make it look out of this world. The screen is 17.3 inches with a maximum resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, and by being 4K you can expect extraordinary detailed sharp colors. The Razer Blade Pro has plenty of ports such as 3 USB ports, 1 USB Type-C port, an SD card slot, an Internet port, HDMI, a headphone jack and a Kensington lock. Now, a single cable will provide you 4 times the data flow and twice video bandwidth of any cable, making it perfect for editing 4K content while using external displays. When it comes to the performance, especially for video editing purposes, this laptop is the first THX certified device accompanied by Intel i7 and GeForce 1080, which deliver outstanding experience and you can feel powerful visual and audio experience. In addition, the display colors are pre-calibrated for having great accuracy and you will be great in content creation or gaming. It lets you see in 4K resolution and it is capable of using virtual reality, making it a true giant when we speak about the performance. All of your programs will run quickly and you will be able to do multitasking without any single occurrence of lag. But that's not all. The killer Double-Shot Pro networking technology will automatically detect and prioritize the programs or games in use, allowing you to enjoy a lag-free experience. The ultra-low profile mechanical keyboard stands for long working and entertainment hours and grants you a high level of accuracy and responsiveness. You can personalize it with the Razer Synapse app for your ultimate comfort because the lights are powerful and you can use it in darker places. The trackpad is nicely positioned and of a decent size, and because it is very responsive, you can swipe with ease because it is extremely accurate. As I stated before, the audio is THX certified, so this laptop produces amazing sound and you will be capable of feeling every single detail. Overall, this is a wonderful laptop that can serve you amazingly for gaming or video editing. And if you want a laptop that can do almost everything in lightning fast speeds, then the Razer Blade Pro is for you. Next up, at number 3 we have the MSI GE72. If you're looking for a laptop that is performing amazingly by having an affordable price and capable of dealing with your daily tasks, then this is the one that is right for you. The design is really nice. The case is cloth in black color with some red details, and behind the lid there is an MSI logo. It weighs 5.95 pounds, but it is very portable. The screen features a 17.3-inch Full HD and anti-glare white display with a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels with an aspect ratio of 16:9. The colors are very sharp and you can see every detail, which is perfect when you're dealing with video editing. You simply cannot miss anything. The keyboard is a full-color backlit keyboard with anti-ghost key accompanied by a single lining. The keys are comfortable to your fingertips, allowing you to type for many hours without pressing them too hard. They are also responsive and accurate, making you productive and fast for any purpose. The trackpad is also responsive and accurate, so you can use it without any issues occurring related to its quality. The audio is wonderful because of the DIN audio speakers that are accompanied with a subwoofer for your ultimate sound experience. It is loud enough so you can hear every single detail while video editing, gaming or watching movies. The performance is really good because this laptop features an i7 core processor with 16GB of RAM and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU for the ultimate visuals and quick performance. You can have plenty of applications running at the same time and you won't notice any lag. Everything just runs so quick, so you will be able to do many projects with ease. In addition, the E2500P feature improves latency and eliminates video freezes by prioritizing your network traffic, so you can enjoy your gaming, web surfing and entertainment experience like never before. Overall, this is an amazing laptop that features unique characteristics that are making you deal with many tasks at once with ease. It is very fast at launching applications, so that's a good thing which will let you stay focused on your job or gaming related things. Next up, at number 2 we have the Lenovo Y700. Lenovo Y700 is perfect for gaming or video editing related tasks, making you productive in various things with its astonishing performance. The design is simply wonderful and created with comfort in mind. It is black colored, but there is a red noticeable color at the keyboard, trackpad and under the screen. The screen is 15.6 inches with high-definition frameless display featuring IPS anti-glare accompanied by a maximum screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It produces really sharp colors and it is visible even when the sun reflects, so be ready for having a great gaming and video editing visualization experience. This model includes many ports if we speak from the connectivity perspective. There are 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, an HDMI, an Internet port, headset jack, 1 multi-card reader, Bluetooth 4.0 and an HD 720p camera. The performance is fueled by the Intel i7 processor, 16GB of RAM and the GeForce GTX 960M. You can expect many tabs opened and applications for maximum multitasking while being capable of gaming or video editing. Everything's gonna run smoothly and you won't deal with lags, which makes it great because it increases your productivity. Overall, the Lenovo Y700 features great design and performance that will run very quickly while making you capable of producing lengthy content or playing your favorite video games. That's why you should definitely dig deeper into this laptop because it is very durable and as a fact Lenovo rarely makes any mistakes. At number 1 we have the Dell XPS 159560. This laptop is ideal for every game enthusiast and video editor because it provides an amazing performance. The design is attractive and nice to hold in your hands. It features the same aluminum base and lid like its predecessor and weighs 3.9 pounds. A new thing about this technology is a touch-enabled 15.6-inch 4K display. Dell has used edge technology to deliver a virtually borderless display with a maximum resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, so you can expect to see amazingly sharp and clear pictures while gaming, and it is ideal for video editing or web design. The screen also provides you with a wide viewing angle of up to 170 degrees. Moreover, it is touch-friendly so you can swipe around your screen more naturally. It is incredibly strong and fast when we talk about the connectivities. Dell inserted Thunderbolt 3 port for charging your laptop, connecting it to multiple devices and letting you enjoy data transfers of up to 40 GB, which is 8 times faster than the USB 3.0. There is a single cable connection for power, 2 USB 3.0 ports, an Internet, audio and video ports. It performs wonderfully because this model includes the latest 7th generation Intel quad-core processor with the 4GB GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card and 8GB of memory. The 512GB SSD with the other mentioned hardware produces lightning-fast performance while being capable of multitouch without having any lag. You can play many new video games or use it for video editing purposes while producing wonderful content and great productivity. All of your games and applications will load quickly, and it will save you from waiting while maximizing your focus on the things you love to do. The keyboard is backlit with really nice keys that are really accurate and responsive, which allows you to type fast. So I would definitely recommend this to everyone that is looking to make gaming videos or any other kind of videos, because this laptop will fulfill all your needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. You can find links to all these laptops down in the description and the comment section below, so if you want to find out the price and more information about them, you can go check out the links there. Also, if you have any questions or any feedback about these laptops, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.